Hey Tree, take a look at our new friends.
Leafy, I don't know who these people are. Wait, is that...
Standing before us are some of the naturalist recommended characters from throughout the years that I could get my hands on.
Ah, I see what's happening here. It's only common sense that we'd pit these guys against each other for another season of BFDI Mini.
Yeah! Each day we gave our contestants less than a minute to complete the challenge, and the two who did the worst were up for elimination.
Using the poll feature, you all on TikTok voted who should stay or who should go.
I'm Leafy.
And I'm Tree.
And I'm Flower.
And this is BFDI Mini Natural. In a neck-and-neck battle, Lotus Flower is out.
What? You know what? No, I'm done. This is stupid. I'm leaving.
It pains me to say this, but Autumn Leaf is eliminated. You okay, Leafy?
Yeah.
Silly geode, not even you can defeat pure evil. You're outta here. Tough luck, Redcurrant. Cheaters never prosper.
I wasn't cheating, I was innovating.
That doesn't change the fact that you're eliminated.
Snatch.
How noble. Too bad about Chestnut, though. They're out.
Don't mess with nature, folks. Sayonara, seashell.
Smart thinking, Autumn Leaf. Anybody with a brain would choose you over—
It's red currant.
Was the freeze juice really necessary?
Victory at all costs. Aurora Borealis, you're out of here.
I can't stand to see either of you guys go. You're both so awesome.
If it's Spruce Tree, I swear I'll... Farewell, Beehive. And, grapes too, I guess.
It's time for the finale. Congratulations, Red Currant! You win BFDI Mini Natural!
That's it, I'm leaving.